Right, so part C now says to draw the line of symmetry and write down the equation of the line of symmetry. Now we have been using that word symmetry, and you may wonder about what does that word mean. So you can just simply go into Google and look up the meaning of the word symmetry. What for the word symmetry and meaning. Okay. Let's get a common definition for the word symmetry. All right. So according to Google, symmetry, okay, and it has the vocals for it. Symmetry. Symmetry. Okay. So according to Google, symmetry means the quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. Okay, so when we apply that definition, let's apply that definition to the parabola. The quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. Is that happening in the parabola? Yes. Facing each other, you have this leg, the left leg coming down, and the right leg coming up, facing each other. And the line of symmetry, the line looks like an axis. That's why it's called the line of symmetry. Okay, so this is our guideline. So what we can do, we can make a copy of it, and we can use it now for the line of symmetry. Okay. Here it is. Right, it's right in the middle. Okay. Like an axis, according to the definition. You know, separating the parabola into two equal parts. Okay. And the two equal parts now are facing each other. I call it the two equal legs. One coming down, one coming up. Okay, so that's the line of symmetry, is a vertical line. Okay, so here you have it, the line of symmetry. Right there. Okay. And write down the equation of the line of symmetry. So as you can see now, y is changing. As you're coming up, you're going up because y is up and down. That's the range going up and down, the domain going left to right. I repeat, the domain going left to right, the range going up, down to up, down to up, up to down. That's the range, left to right, that's the domain. So up and down, that means the y value is changing, but the x value does not change. X remains 1. Okay, for that vertical line that is there, x is equal to -1, sorry, -1. Here y is 5, but what if you put a point there, x is -1. Here y is -5, but if you put a point there, x is still 1. Here y is -9, but if you put a x coordinate there, -1. So x doesn't change, x equals -1. So the equation of this line is x is equal to -1. That is the equation of the line of symmetry. Okay, x is equal to -1. All right, so please bear that in mind. That's the line of symmetry. X is equal to -1. Okay, so please take note of that. Make a record of this. Okay. X is equal to -1. So that's the line of symmetry. X is equal to -1. All right. So please take note of this. So that's part C answered. The line of symmetry on the parabola is a vertical line that cuts the parabola in two equal halves. That's the left half and the right half. It's like an axis, and the two halves are facing each other, equally shared. All right.